Hi dears, welcome back to Mathematics Online class. New chapter, that is time. Okay, I think you all know how to look at a clock and how to read a time, isn't it? Because we already studied that in third standard, how to read the time. Okay, and in this year you need to study some more things related to time. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, so here I drawn one clock, isn't it? Yes, and here I marked two needles also. Okay, how many needles are there in a clock? Yes, some are saying two, some are saying three. Yes, most probably there will be three needles are there. The long needle is called minute hand. The short needle is the hour hand, and a very narrow, very thin needle which goes very fast, no? That is second hand. Okay, so there are three hands in a clock. Big, that is very long handle is that minute hand, and a very short it is hour hand, and a very fast moving narrow hand is that is second hand. Okay, so that is the three needles. So here I marked only two needles. So here this is the long needle. Okay, the long needle is pointed to in between 1 and 2. This long needle pointed in between 1 and 2, and this is a short needle. Okay, it is pointed to 8. Okay, so here whenever we are reading a time, we need to look at the shorthand. Okay, we need to look at the shorthand. Okay, so here the shorthand is the hour hand. Shorthand is the hour hand. Okay, so shorthand is pointed to which one? Yes, 8. So we can write 8. Okay, and this is the two dots which separate the hour and minutes. Then look at the minute. Okay, minute. We can write it as which is in between 1 and 2. Okay, we can write it as 1. So whenever we are saying the minute, okay, whenever we are saying the minute, we need to say it in the 5 tables. I think you already know. Okay, here this is the 5 minutes, this 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. Okay, and this is the 60 minutes. Okay, so why it is 5, 10, 15? Because in between 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a fifth minute, 5. Okay, minute 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. It will go like that. Okay, so in between the small minutes are there. But whenever we are saying it is, we are saying it in the letter to 5's multiplication table. So look here. Okay, we can draw this way. So it is 1. So it is 1 means that's how much minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, so whenever we are writing a single digit, we need to write a 0, 5. Okay, so the time is 8, 5. The time is 8, 5. Okay, one more time. Okay, try to say all of you. Okay, so this is a time. Here look at which is the first, which one we need to look? The short hand, hour hand. The hour hand is in between 3 and 4. Whenever the hour hand is coming in between 3 and 4, in between any number, we need to take the smallest number. Okay, so we can write it, it is in between 3 and 4. So we can take it as 3. Okay, 3. Put 2 dots. Okay, then the minute hand, that is a long hand, leads to 7. 7 into 5, 35. So the time is 3:35. The time is 3:35. Okay, so one more. Okay, that I will not say the answer. You need to find out the answer and we will say the time in live session. Okay, okay, so this time you need to find out. Okay, you need to say, want to know how we will say this time, and I will ask in the live session what is this time. Okay, so all of you look it. The shorthand leads to in between 10 and 11, and the minute hand leads to 3. Okay, so all must read the time. Okay, okay. Then next we are going to study how to, okay, we are using 12 hours clock. Okay, we are using 12 hours clock. Why I am saying we are using 12 hours clock? Because now we are using 12 hours clock. So how you will understand that you are using 12 hours clock? Because one time we are using it twice, isn't it? One day we are using the same timing, isn't it? For example, there are 6 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. Same time, but we are using it two times. Okay. And if it is 12 o'clock, noon is there is a 12 o'clock and midnight is also there is one 12 o'clock. If it is 4 o'clock, early morning there is a 4 o'clock, evening also 4 o'clock. 9 o'clock, morning there is a 9 o'clock and night also there is a 9 o'clock. Then how will you understood that which time is teacher saying about? Suppose I am saying that please come to school at 6 o'clock. Okay, most probably you will understand that is evening 6 o'clock. But how will you understood that? How will you differ a time in the morning and evening? We are using two terms for that. Which is that? Anybody? Yes, we are using AM and PM. Okay, we are using AM and PM. We already studied this in 3rd standard. Okay, AM is used to indicate morning. Okay, and PM we are used to indicate evening, afternoon and night. Okay, so AM it's used to denote the morning time. For example, 7 AM means it is 7 in the morning. 9 AM that is 9 in the morning. Okay, suppose I am writing 7 PM, that means it is evening 7 o'clock. 10 PM night 10 o'clock. So AM is in morning and PM indicates evening, afternoon and night. We already studied that. Okay, no need to explain more. Okay, so next new thing we are going to study is that there are another 24 hours clock is also there. Now I am telling about 12 hours clock. Okay, and the same way there is 24-hour clock is there. 24 hours clock. In the railway station and the airport, they are using 24 hours clock. Okay, there is only one time only there. For example, if they are saying 4 o'clock, there is only one 4 o'clock. If they are saying 10 o'clock, there is only one 10 o'clock. There will not be the two 10 o'clock, only one 10 o'clock. Okay, so after 12 o'clock, we are using in 12 hours, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 again up to 12. But in the case of 24 hours, after 12 o'clock, they are using 13, 14, 15, 16 up to 24. Only one time, 1 to 24. Okay, 1 to 24. But in the case of 12 hours, 1 to 12, again it is 1 to 12. Okay, that is the same difference. Okay, so here we are studying conversions. Okay, how we will convert. Okay, we need to convert 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock. Very easy. Okay, you need to study this because whenever if you are going to railway station or in the airport, you need to understand that what time it is. In the railway tickets or the flight tickets also you can see this type of time. Okay, in the mobile also, I think some mobile also you can see that 24 hours clock. Okay, so how will you convert? Okay, 1 or 2 steps you have to keep in your mind. First one is that I already told you in the 12 hours they are using AM and PM to denote the time. Okay, suppose any time if it is given AM, okay, any time if it is given AM, it is so easy. You just make it 4 digit. Okay, whenever we are writing a time in 24 hours, it must be 4 digit. Okay, so what you want to do, you need to write 0700. It is 7 o'clock. Okay, there is no AM in the 24 hours. It is 7 hours. So it is 12 hours. It is 24 hours. Okay. So 7 AM means 7 hours. Okay. If it is 10:20 AM, here also AM. So whenever AM has come, you just convert that AM into hours. Only that much. Okay. So whenever we are getting AM just convert AM into hours. Only that is the difference. Okay. Whenever AM has come, you just replace that AM by writing hours. Only that much. If there is only 3 digit, you just make it 0 and make it 4 digit. Okay. One more example you need. Okay. Suppose it is 4:30 AM. 4:30 AM means it is early morning. Okay, so here you can write the same 4:30. Okay, 4:30 hours. Okay, 24 hours also, I already told you, up to 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock means the night, isn't it? The night after midnight there is a 1 o'clock. Early morning up to 12 noon. Okay, 12 noon, the lunch time, up to 12 noon. The time is same as the 12 hours. But afternoon, okay, afternoon we are telling about that 1, 2, 3 in the 12 hours. But in the case of 24 hours, after 12 o'clock we are saying 13, 14, 15, like that it will go. Okay, so it is easy now. On the first step is, what is the first step? The first step is that AM, okay, the first step is that AM you just replace with hours. Okay, that is the first step. Second step, what is the second step? Second step is very easy. Okay, second step is very easy. So just listen here. Whenever PM is given, if it is 6:20 PM, whenever PM is given, what you want to do? You just add 12 to this 6. Okay, just add 12 to this hour hand. Okay, that is 12 o'clock to this 6:20. Time is 18:20. That is 6:20 means it is evening 6 o'clock in the 12 hours clock. But in the case of 24 hours clock, the time is 18:20. Okay, the evening 6:20 we can say it as 18:20. How will you do? If it is PM has come, you just add 12 with that given number. Okay, add 12. Okay, one more example I will show you. Suppose it is 9:30 PM. So if it is PM, you just add 12 to 9. Okay, 12 o'clock to 9:30. Minute, no problem. Minute is the same minute. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 21:30 PM. Okay, 21:30. Not PM. It is, we can write it hours. Okay. It is here in the 12 hours, 24 hours clock. There is no AM and there is no PM. We are saying only hours because one time we are using only one at a time. Okay. One more example I will show you. Just listen here. If it is 11:40 PM, how will you convert it into 24 hours? It is PM. Okay, so PM. So you need to add 12 with the given time. Okay, so 11:40. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. So 23:40 hours is the answer. So easy, no? So second step is that whenever PM has come, you just add 12 with the given hour. Okay, 12 with the given hour. Only these are the two steps you should keep it in your mind. The first step is that if AM is given, only you have to replace the AM by writing hours. If there is only 3 digit is given, you might put 0 and make it 4 digit. And whenever, second step, whenever PM has come, what you want to do? You just add 12 with the hour hand only and make it hours. Okay, so these are the steps you have to keep it in mind. Next we are going to convert. You are getting 24 hours. You need to convert it into 12 hours. That is also so easy. Okay. For example, if it is 8 to 20 hours. Okay, this is a 24 hours clock. You have to make it a 12 hours clock. 8 to 20 hours. Okay. So 8 to 20 hours. How will you convert it into 12 hours clock? That's so very easy. Whenever the hour is up to 12. Whenever the hour is up to 12, you can just replace the hours and write AM. Okay, so 8 is less than 12. Okay, so you can write it 8:20 AM. Understood? It's very simple. I already told you up to 12 o'clock all the time are very same in the 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. So up to 12 has come. For example, if it is 11:40 hours. Okay, so here 11 is less than 12, no? So you can write 11:40 AM. Just replace the hours by writing AM. Just replace the hours by writing AM. Okay, so what is the first step? If it is less than 20, less than 12 has come, you just replace hours by AM. And next step. Very easy. Next step is whenever above 12, for example, if it 12:10 hours, it is also same, time is same, but only you need to write 12:10 p.m. Okay, what you want to do? This hours you just convert it into p.m. So whenever 12 has come, okay, 12:50 hours. Okay, you can write it 12:50 p.m. So whenever 12 has come, just replace hours by writing p.m. Okay, so first step is that if less than 12, that means 11:59, up to 11:59 has come, you just replace the hours and writing am. And next, if 12 up to 12:59 has come, you just replace hours and writing pm. Next step, third one, whenever above 12, for example, if it is 13 hours has come, how will you do? Very easy. You just minus 12 with the given number. Okay. So, what is the answer? 1 p.m. Okay, it is 1 p.m. If it is 17:50 hours, okay, how many? What is the time in 12 hours? How will you do? 17:50 minus 12. You just subtract 12 from the answer. So, it is 5:50 p.m. Okay, so third step is that above 12 has come. What you want to do? You just subtract 12 from the upper hand. Okay, so once again I will explain everything. So just listen, very easy. Okay, if you know it, the method, it is very easy. Okay, listen. Whenever we are converting a 12 hours into 24, what you want to do? If AM has come, you just convert into, replace into hours. For example, if it is 2:20 AM, you can write it as 0 to 20 hours in 24 hours. Okay. Second one, if PM has come, what you want to do? If it is 3:15 PM, okay, PM has come, you just add 12 with this 3. Okay, you can add 12 with this 3 plus 3:15. Okay, so the answer is 15:15 hours. Okay, the answer is 15:15 hours. Next, if the 12 hours, okay, 24 hours is giving, for example, if it is 9:20 hours, hours has come, that means it is 24 hours. How will you convert into 12 hours? It is 9:20 AM. Okay, less than 12 has come, it is AM. Okay, if it is 12:25 hours, okay, if it is 12 has come, then also you need to write it 12:25 PM. Okay, if it is 12 has come, you need to write a PM. If it is above, okay, above 12, here it is 15:40 hours, here 15 is above 12. So you just minus 12, okay, 15:40 minus 12. So the answer is 3:40 PM. 3:40 PM. Only these things you should keep it in your mind. Then the conversion is very, very easy. Okay, once again, okay, again and again I am saying the same thing. So you must be very careful whenever you are doing. Okay, if it is hours is given in the question, that is 24 hours. If AM or PM is given in the question, that is 12 hours. Okay, so the conversion is very simple. You just go through these steps 1 or 2 times and then you will understand that. Okay, so we will discuss more things, more examples during our live session. So thank you and have a nice day.